So we've left Ohiya this morning and driven to Ohiya, where we are going to catch the train in a few days' time. And from here, our car can't take us any further because the road's too bad. So we have to go by tuk-tuk, and then we're going to need two because our luggage won't fit into one. So we'll see. There seems to be a bit of confusion about that, so we'll see what happens. While we're waiting for our tuk-tuk drivers to sort out what's happening. Sorted, our luggage is going in one tuk-tuk and we're going in another. Because in the back of ours is a big stereo system. No room for luggage. Really high now, you can see amazing views.
Yeah.
That's okay, you can keep going. Thank you. So we're staying at the Hill Safari Lodge, which is down this road, which looks kind of scary. I think this is why the car couldn't come up here.
Yeah, this side. Let's hope the driver is good at this. Well, we made it. Sort of. That's the lodge.
So it's a cute little place, very remote. We'll be chilling out here for a few days. Okay, so this is our room. It's called Room 1, Silver Tips. Only strong enough for 4 people on the deck. Got a little chair out here and a table, and we can sit out here and watch the view. And then we've got some big glass windows and doors, so we can lie in bed and look at the view. Mosquito net. Bed's quite comfy. It's a cupboard. And bathroom. With a window to the view as well, I think. Let's have a look. Yes, so we can shower while looking out at that, which is pretty awesome. Very cool place. about 3:45 in the morning, and we have had virtually no sleep tonight because the wind is just unbelievable. I'm not sure if you can hear it at the moment, it's not so bad, but every now and again there's an enormous gust which is so fierce it sounds like the whole place is going to blow away. Waiting to see if we can hear a really loud one, but very hard to get any sleep in this. And every now and again it calms down and you think, oh, it's good, it's going to be calm now. And then another huge gust comes along. Quite scary. Although the owner assured us at dinner time that this is quite normal. Early morning now and the wind is still raging outside. It's hard to appreciate looking at the trees how strong the wind is. They're moving, but every now and again there's a gust that just sounds like everything's going to fly away. So the wind has certainly blown away some of the haze and you can see the view quite a lot better now. Now I know why they put all these extra things on the roof. Hopefully the iron is held on fairly tightly anyway, but we've got some tyres and some rocks to help keep it down. No surprises as to why. The orange tree is losing lots of oranges on the roof. So we've come on this little walk and we've come on this track that was meant to be a shortcut between two roads, but the track just seems to be getting smaller and smaller and we're getting lower and lower down. So we'll see what happens. Still, it's very beautiful. This lovely lady has pointed us the right way up through her house, up some rock stairs till we get up to the road up there. These ladies walk up and down these hills all day picking tea, and we need a rest after about 5 minutes. So they're just so incredibly fit. And they work all day on these crazy hills. So that place over there is our lodge. So we've come all the way across to the other side of the valley, following the power lines, hopefully up to the road. Down the road, a little doggo who's surprised to see us. While we're having a rest walking up the hill, cows are coming down the hill. Hi, girl. And that one's not a cow. That's her calf. Young bull. You can hear it now, it's really going to town. The roof is squeaking, something shocking. That's what it's been doing on all night. Another windy night, although I survived it wearing earplugs. But I'm just beginning to realise that my paranoia was real. There's a section of the roof up there. It's coming apart. Over the top of our shower. The section is moving in the wind and looking like it's going to fall. Okay, so after reporting the problem with the section of roof in our room, the owner has very swiftly moved us to another room because it probably is quite dangerous, and yes, very apologetic and very concerned, I think so. But no, they've handled it very well, which has been lovely. And so now we're in another room which has a concrete roof, and I don't think it's going anywhere. As you can see, the wind is still blowing like crazy. The plan today was to go to Horton Plains for a hike. However, in order to get there, we need to take a tuk-tuk. And the wind here is so strong that taking a tuk-tuk on these narrow, windy roads on very steep slopes would not be advisable, given that they're not very heavy vehicles. So we are waiting for the wind to subside so that we can go for our walk. It will also be windy like this at Horton Plains too, which will make it pretty unpleasant. So hopefully when it dies down, we can make our way out. So we've come to the end of our stay at the Hill Safari Lodge in Ohiya, and today we will head off to Kandy on the train. But it's been a lovely place to stay, apart from the monstrous winds. The views are pretty spectacular. And as you can see, it's still a little bit windy. But it's a lovely place to stay. The rooms are very comfortable, and the hosts have been wonderful. The food is really nice. It's a very homely place to stay, and would recommend it, and I'll put details